Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error invalid dimension on your TI-84 calculator. So I wanted to graph the equation y equals 4, which you can see right there. However, when I select graph, I'm getting the error. Now in order to get rid of this error, guys, let me just come out of that screen. We're going to return to y equals. Now in y equals, you'll notice that plot 1 is highlighted. So what we're going to do is to use the arrow keys to scroll up and across to get to plot 1, and then we're going to select enter on the calculator here and ensure that it's no longer highlighted. So we'll scroll back down. It's no longer highlighted, so we can try now to see if we can actually graph this equation. So here I'm just going to select graph, and there we go. It is working. You'll notice here that you're not able to clearly see the y equals 4, and that is because my max and min values for y are large. So I'm just going to go to window right here to change them. There are these values based on because of a graph that I was doing before. So I'm just going to change this y max to 10. And I'm going to change y minimum or y min to -10. Right, and then I'll just select graph again. So that's it, guys. If this video helps you out a bit, leave a like so I can know that it did.